Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see your sent invitations on LinkedIn. This is really useful if you want to track who you've reached out to or manage pending connection requests. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile, especially if you manage multiple accounts. After you've logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. Now look at the top navigation bar where you'll see several options. What you want to do here is click on My Network. This is where LinkedIn houses all your connection-related activities, including requests you've sent and received. Once you're in the My Network section, you'll notice a few different options displayed on the page. Look for the section labeled Invites Received. This shows you the connection requests that other people have sent to you. Right next to it, you'll see a Show All button. Click on that to expand the full list of invitations. Now here's where you access your sent invitations. At the top of this invitations page, you'll see two tabs. One says Received and the other says Sent. Click on the Sent tab. This will switch the view to show you all the connection requests you've sent out that are still pending. And that's it. You can now see everyone you've invited to connect with on LinkedIn. This list will show you their names, profiles, and when you sent the invitation. It's a great way to keep track of your networking efforts and follow up if needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.